Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will paint a simple blouse and make it look like a designer one. So let's start. Here I have this navy blue color plain blouse. First I am using golden color and making border. I will make border on both side hands and back. Then using the same color I will draw thin lines. Here I will draw 3 lines in total.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself at the spine.
Then I am using a beautiful pink shade and will make lotus. See how I am making this? Here in full blouse I will use only two colors, one golden and other one is pink. And in the full blouse I will make lotus flower as you can see. So keep watching how I am making this full blouse and trust me it will look amazing after it's done.
Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, oh, some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh.
Here I am making same design on back as you can see, and then making pink lotus on full back.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
And here my full blouse design is ready. Personally, I do like this blouse design a lot, and let me know in the comment section if you like this design too. And if you like this design, then do like and share. And to see more such amazing videos, do subscribe my channel, and don't forget to check out my other videos too. Hope you will enjoy it. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.